Amid the Punjab crisis, senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal is now going to address media persons at about 4 p.m. Remember, he's part of the Congress G23 group and also a senior leader of the Congress party. We are being told by our sources he could fire the salvo with Punjab political crisis that continues unabated. He has been calling for a rethink in the party, remember. Mausami Singh to give us all the latest on that. For now, Mausami, remember, he's been one of the leaders who has enough clout within the party, has called for a rethink and a rejig within the party as well. But all of this, will it appear like speaking against the party, or will it be about what's precisely happening in Punjab? What are we expecting it for? Why do you think Kapil Sibal has decided to speak out?
You know, Pooja, the timing of it all is actually gives rise to a lot of speculations, but this is a matter of fact that the G23 is very close to Captain Amrinder Singh. They have batted for him and were upset over the treatment that was being meted out to him. And in fact, they had gone on to say that Captain Amrinder was being treated very shabbily in Punjab, but that was way before Captain put in his resignation, and a lot of water has flown under the bridge ever since then. And now with Kapil Sibal, you know, holding a presser, we've known that Kapil Sibal minces no words. He's put out very attacking tweets, questioning the decisions of the party high command. And even as Navjot Singh Sidhu put in his resignation yesterday, there were a lot of rumors, a lot of whispers that were growing louder that over the choice of Navjot Singh Sidhu by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi. So perhaps this is a presser that will be watched very closely by the party high command. Kapil Sibal could actually question the entire political mess that's going on in Punjab.
At this point, do you think Kapil Sibal will find support, Mausami, amid other senior leaders of the party? Because the last time that happened, it didn't look like that the Gandhis were keen to listen to any critical point of view coming in from the veteran leaders of the party.
You know, the fact of the matter is that Kapil Sibal, of all the G23 leaders, you know, is a leader who doesn't really care what opinion is being formed out of what he's saying. He says what he says because he thinks that he believes in it, and it is less determined by the political benefits or the political brownies he will score for the fact that he is a veteran, a very, very senior lawyer, and he is a master in his own field, and that gives him a lot of edge in terms of whatever he says. He comes from that standing that I am not asking for any appeasement or favor. I'm saying it because I'm a well-wisher of the party, and that's why, you know, a dinner that was hosted by Kapil Sibal drew a lot of headlines with the who's who of the opposition party, from Sharad Pawar to Akhilesh Yadav, Omar Abdullah. They all attended that dinner, and Rahul Gandhi's breakfast saw little audience of top leaders. So attendee of top leaders, Pooja. So that's the critical point, you know, to be highlighted. Kapil Sibal doesn't really care what response he'll be getting. He'll say it because he wants to say it.
Mausami, because you've been speaking to workers of the Congress party, supporters of the Congress party, apart from the leaders, what is the cadre supposed to make of their party, who they have been loyal to despite everything, when few months before such crucial elections, the party does not know who is the leader, who is going to lead them to campaigning? That is when Aam Aadmi Party, Akali Dal, even the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to make inroads into Punjab.
Pooja, really, you know, the morale of party workers is really low. We are standing outside the civil secretariat in Punjab. We've seen the VVIP movement inside and outside.
Yes.
The chief minister just left. He said that I'm not a man of ego. We will reach out to Navjot Singh Sidhu. All this, the drama unfolding, has done a lot of damage to the party and the morale of party workers. A bombshell dropped by Sidhu, and the party has been at pains to repair the damage that seems irreversible right now.
Mausami Singh is in Chandigarh. She's tracking all the latest. And